Dr. Ella, what's wrong with me? There are noises coming from your engine. Cough for me, please. Please tell me what's wrong.
Is anyone there? Save us, it's too hot, I can't stand it. Save us, it's too hot, I can't stand it. Is anyone there? Oh, it's so hot, save us, save us.
Hey guys, did you hear the voices too?
Yes, Ella. We heard them too.
Someone must be in trouble.
Let's go find where the sound is coming from.
It's too hot, I can't stand it. Help!
They're in there. Let's help them. Oh, this place looks so much fun.
Friends, this is the kitchen, full of dangers. We shouldn't touch anything.
Look, when you press here, the lid moves. Whoa, I'm flying! No, I'm falling!
Friends, I said we shouldn't touch anything, didn't I?
Okay, Teddy Bear, you're right.
Save us! It's so hot, I can't stand it.
The sounds were coming from here.
This is called an oven, friends. It can burn us if we touch it.
How are we going to save them?
Do you see the round parts on it, Ella? Oven shut off when you turn them.
I can turn it, but how will I get there? I have an idea. Are you ready, Ella? I'm ready, Vosvos. 1, 2, 3, jump! You did it, Ella. Yes, we did it. Which way should I turn this? Right or left?
It's so hot, I can't stand it. Is anybody there? It's so hot, I can't stand it.
Sorry, that was wrong. I'm turning it the other way.
Now you've done it, Ella.
Yeah, hooray. How will we get the ones in the oven out?
Vosvos, we can open the oven door with your rope.
Good idea. The lid is completely open. We did it. We saved everyone.
Oh, finally we're saved. I'm stuck, I can't get up.
It was so cozy in there. Now I'm cold.
These are the gingerbread men. Gingerbread lady.
You're supposed to bake in the oven anyway. Why did you ask for help?
My side was too hot, look how I've darkened. My side was fine, actually.
I'm still cold.
I'm stuck. I can't get up, please help me.
I have an idea.
Oh, that feels good. Thanks, guys. You saved me. This milk is also delicious.
You've grown so much, gingerbread man.
Wow, that's great. I want milk too, please.
I want some milk too. but make it warm.
Anyway, I changed my mind.
Me too. I feel so good. All soft everywhere.
Toon Kids.
How did I even get here? Whoa, how did this happen? What's that? Mom! Mom! Huh? Huh? Don't come. No! Don't come. I had a bad dream. What was that, Bear? Long teeth. Thank God. It's not real.
Look, I'm going to show you something. Today is Halloween, and I've done something. You definitely need to see it. But it's a bit scary.
What was it? Besides, I'm not afraid of anything.
Well then. Ta-da!
Mom! Mom!
Huh?
Look, I became Ethan.
Oh no. Mom! Mom! Ethan was so scared today.
Yes. Is that to be feared?
What the hell was that?
Quiet! There's noise coming from outside.
Oh no! No! Toon Kids.
Here, I caught you!
Did you see what Ethan did? He's putting butterflies in a jar.
This is terrible!
We can't allow this, friends.
What are you doing, Ethan? What's that in your hand?
I need to catch a lot of butterflies, Sophia. A lot.
Why?
Because I want to fly.
Did he just say fly?
You're going to hurt the butterflies.
I'll gather them all in a balloon. They'll try to escape by flying. And I'll hold on to the balloon and fly too.
That doesn't make any sense, Ethan.
You'll see when I do it.
Please release the butterflies right now.
I need to catch at least 100 more, maybe even 1,000. Don't distract me.
Look how beautiful they are when they fly.
No, Sophia, you go and play with your ugly toys, okay?
Am I ugly?
Of course not, Was. Neither are you, Ella. In fact, you're very cute. Just look into our eyes. Anyway, friends, we urgently need a plan now.
Come here, look, purple butterfly. Our wings are so beautiful. Whoa, whoa! That's how I'll catch you all.
Butterflies can't survive without air for much longer.
Oh, poor beautiful butterflies.
Let's calm down and think. How can we get the butterflies out of the jar? How can we...
I got it! One of us should go and open the lid of the jar.
How's that supposed to work? We're toys, Wozwos. Besides, going outside is very dangerous.
I have an idea, friends. Let's throw something at the jar to knock it over. If it falls, it'll break, and the butterflies will be freed. That sounds too risky. What if it doesn't break?
I think it's a good idea. We don't have any other choice, Wozwos.
I want to try my luck first.
It didn't work.
We missed.
You almost hit it.
My turn.
Oh, come on.
It was just about to fall. Well done, Ella. Now it's my turn, friends. This is our last chance.
So what happened now? Did the jar break? I didn't hear anything.
Neither did I. I hope it broke.
The butterflies are flying.
Yes, they're flying.
It broke. They're free.
What's happening there? How did you escape? No! Don't come here! Ah, no! Huh? Get away from me! Don't follow me! Mummy! Mummy!
Toon Kids.
I loved this three-dimensional printer so much. I can print anything I imagine. Now let's print a nice cup set for the table. It turned out great, didn't it, Ella? Let's play together when I come back in the evening. I have to leave now.
What a magical machine this is. This thread turns into a table and chairs when it gets warm. So can this machine also make toys? Yes, we can have new friends.
Let's make a toy with big wheels that we'll be friends with, all of us.
Friends, this machine is Sophia's. It's not right for us to use it.
But I'm so curious. Let the toy have wings.
And let its wheels be big.
Make it shiny red.
Guys, don't just press the buttons like that. You'll break the machine.
All right, I'm starting it now. Here we go. Started!
Oh no, what kind of toy is this?
It was supposed to have red body, not eyes. Friends, what have we done?
Hello, my name is Was.
Rah!
Hi, Roa. These are Ella, Teddy, and Mons.
Rah!
Okay, got it. Your name is Roa.
Was, I don't think he understands us. I think it's roaring.
Still nice name. Roa, let's play.
Rah! Rah!
Friends, this is a real monster.
I added a monster feature to the settings to make it look like me.
What?
Isn't Roa a friend?
We shouldn't have touched the machine at all. We have to get everything back before Sophia arrives.
You're right, Bear.
So, how do we get rid of it?
If the machine makes toys by heating thread, we can turn it back into thread by heating it.
I got it. Let's use the power of light. We can heat it with a magnifying glass and sunlight.
That's a great idea.
Let's do it!
Position taken. The light is focused on the target.
It's happening!
Yay, it worked, Mons.
Rah! Rah!
I guess we didn't make it. The sun's power is down.
Was. Roa is coming towards you.
Mons, thank you. You saved my life.
Rah! Rah!
You look so hungry and angry, Roa.
It's because I added the monster trait.
We all did it together, Mons. It's not your fault. We have to solve this problem together.
Rah! Rah!
Take that, Roa. Oh, so strong.
Rah! Rah!
Mons ran away, guys.
Mons?
We're cornered here.
He's going to eat us.
We did it! Toon Kids.
Hello, my dear. Look, who I'm going to introduce you to. Sophia, this is Ethan, Hazel Aunt's son. Can you two play nicely together?
A police car. Wow, what a cool car. Can I take a look? Huh? Ah. Ah.
Why did you do that? It must have hurt a lot.
Do girls even play with cars?
You're a very naughty boy. I don't want you touching my toys. Can you please go outside?
These toys here aren't for girls. I think you should leave. Huh? Oh, there's only one for you, it seems.
door. I said open it. Oof! Mom?
Huh?
Come on, toys! Let's teach this troublemaker a lesson he won't forget!
What was that? Ah! You hurt my hand, you stupid thing! Ah! It's Sophia's broken toy. How is this possible? These toys are moving on their own! Ah! Mom?
Oh no! That naughty boy has broken the Vosvos' wheel!
I saw it. The wheel rolled under the bed.
Helicopter, you can only retrieve the wheel from under the bed before Sophia comes.
All right. It's so dark in here. I should turn on my lights, I guess. It's not here. It's not here either. Oh, there it is. I need to grab it quickly and return it. Sophia could come back any moment. I found the Vosvos' lost wheel. We must put it back in place.
Yes, it's done. How do you feel now, Vosvos?
Thank you, toys. I'm better than before. If you hadn't taught that troublemaker a lesson, who knows what else he would have done.
I'm glad you're better, Vosvos, but we should hurry. Sophia could return any minute.
He's a very naughty boy.
Auntie, you don't understand. I'm saying the toys moved.
See, there's nothing wrong. Everything is in its place. The toys also seem perfectly fine from what I can see. Sophia, Ethan, I don't want anything like this to happen again. Behave well and play nicely.
Ethan, you've put the toys back. I guess you understand your mistake now.
Well, yes, I guess so.
Toon Kids! I've made such a beautiful painting. I'll paint this area as well. Okay, it looks great.
Sophia, what are you doing, honey?
I'm painting, Mommy.
Honey, I have some work in the kitchen. Could you take care of your sibling while I work?
Sure, I'll be right there. I'll finish my painting later. Huh?
what happened? The helicopter. Close the window now.
That was close.
Yes, it was about to enter inside. It's not out of the woods yet, guys. Look, he's looking at us again.
You hurt my hand, you idiot.
Take that!
Huh? Oh no! Oh no!
Lock the window, quickly!
I've got you.
Help! Please help!
I'm coming, helicopter, hang on!
Ha!
Oh, Ragdoll, I'm gonna throw you.
Okay.
You ready?
Oh! Yoo-hoo! Ha! Ah!
Oh my god! What's happening?
He's trying to catch one of us. Do you think he'll come back? I have no doubt. They will definitely come back.
What do we do?
I think I have an idea. Come on, guys! We don't have much time. Ella, connect the cables to the window. Helicopter, help Ella too.
Okay!
Let's go! Come on, let's do it!
Here we go. Our trap is ready.
Mom! Mom!
We did it, guys! Hooray! Whoops! Sophia's coming! Places, everyone!
Hello, Ella. I hope you didn't get bored while I was gone. Toon Kids!
Sophia, the trunk is very full.
I think Sophia's going on vacation, friends.
Vacation?
So, is she going to leave us here?
Keep quiet. They're still talking.
There's no place for all your toys.
What?
You can only take one toy.
Uh-oh. We should have seen this coming.
But Mom, I want you to have all my toys.
Sorry, honey, you can only pick one.
Sophia's coming. Run, 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 run!
Okay. But I want to take all my toys.
Don't make a sound.
My Woswos, my Ella, how can I choose only one of you? You're all so precious to me.
What are we gonna do now? You heard Sophia? Only one of us can go.
Friends, there is nothing we can do in this situation.
But it's not fair. Then which one of us will go?
Only Sophia can decide that.
Actually, we can decide that.
How's that going to happen?
If we all hide and leave only the one who is going to leave, Sophia will have to take it.
But this time Sophia will be very sad if she can't find the toy she wants to take with her.
Sophia loves us all very much, so I don't think she'll be too concerned about this situation.
Yes, she does. Sophia loves us all very much.
Still, Sophia should decide who to take with her. And how do you plan to choose?
We'll have a speed race, and the winner goes with Sophia.
Yes, that sounds fair.
Isn't that a good idea?
That makes a lot of sense.
May the fastest toy win.
I am sure I will win! First one to the finish line wins. On my count. 1, 2, 3. Now! I'm so far behind.
Get out of the way. I'll get there first. No, me. Last one, there's a rotten egg. I win!
But it's not fair! We can't be as fast as you!
Well, let's make it a fairer race.
But I won the race.
Because you have wheels. There's no way we can win.
So how do we compete? Marbles.
Uh-huh. Yes. We could have a race to throw marbles to a designated place.
Marbles.
This time I will win for sure. Let's try it.
Okay, yeah.
Let's do it. Whoever puts the marbles in the box wins.
I'll go first. Whoa, I threw it. Oh no, Ella, you're next.
Ella wins.
Of course you win. It's much easier with your hands.
I think this race was also unfair.
Yeah, I think so.
Friends, don't you understand? The competition means nothing. Whoever Sophia chooses will go.
I think the teddy bear is right, guys. No matter what we do, we can't come to a conclusion. It's best to leave this to Sophia.
Then we'll wait for Sophia's decision.
Uh-huh. She's coming. Everyone to their places.
Sophia!
Run!
Hurry up!
I want to take you all, but I can't separate you from each other.
Sophia, are you ready, honey? Let's go.
Okay, Mommy, I'm coming. I'll be right back. Take care of yourselves while I'm gone, okay? See you in a week. I'll miss you.
Sophia didn't take any of us.
I told you not to try so hard. Sophia finally made the decision in the end.
Then that means we're all together again for a week, friends. Yes, and we can do whatever we want while the Sophias are away.
Yes, we can even have a party. Hoo-hoo!
A party?
Hello, little adventurers. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our thrilling and joyful journeys.